So I'm going to be working on the boiler today. Going to take some interesting parts off of that, and then I'll help the others break up some tile. But I figure before we do that for the video, let's get a better look at the outside, since I didn't have enough chances last time because I forgot to charge my battery. So here's the, I believe this is one of the additions, my 1915 or the 1905 edition. That's the escape door. Over here is in between the two editions. Actually, I believe this is the 1905 edition. I believe this is for the 1914, 15, I don't know. They're currently working on a bathroom in there. I believe this is the coal chute. Look at that. Nice. Now, they added this little section over here, which is actually pretty neat. This is so that light can get into all these other rooms. And I believe there's a seam somewhere where it's the different editions, because I think this is the original building. This is one edition, and then this is a later edition. I could be wrong though. Just look at that. This is so cool. The building has several heavy-duty ladders going up. There's one on the other side that goes all the way to the roof, but we don't know if we trust it yet. Ground looks okay. It's not too bad. But someone's going to be coming through and repointing all of that eventually, so that's fine. I might help them fix this front sidewalk. I didn't even know this was here or this bad, so that'll be pretty nice. Well then, for the front, we have the first edition, then we have the original Red Rooster, which is, this is pretty sharp looking, I think. This is exactly the architecture that I like. Now this is the entrance to the pub. So you can actually have the hotel on the top and then the bar on the bottom, which is pretty neat. What's really nice is that it's actually right here in the middle of town. Like this is the courthouse up here. And that's going down to the center of town. So it's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it. That's the outside. It's a really wonderful building. I think it's gonna be really nice once to get it all fixed. Actually, once we get it all fixed up, I guess, because I'm gonna try to help quite a bit and make several videos. Well, let's go to the basement and let's go try to take some fittings off of that boiler, and then I'll go help them remove some tile. Got my tools. I'm gonna blowtorch my wrench. Oh, it's pretty dark in here. Sweet. That is more than enough light. I figure we can take up some of these. Take out some of these bits. Like that. Heck yeah. I bet I can use a lot of this stuff for boilers for like steam power and whatnot. Goes to 30 psi and goes down to negative 30, so that's cool. Looks like it still is running with the main line, because that goes and splices off of that light bulb, which is obviously on, but this is set to off. They didn't disconnect it, but I can easily do that by undoing this. That is live. Oh fuck! Someone hit a pipe out there. Wow. Put the little wire nut back on there, and that should be good. looks like this is actually a valve. It's kind of cool. And it shouldn't be too hard to undo either. Ew, that is really filled up with rust. Yuck. I don't know if I want that. Oh well. Well, let's make some noise. I better check the threads to make sure it does go that way. Yeah, so theoretically, if I hit it here, then there's a chance that it could undo that and it'll actually start undoing. Oh, look at that. It has started going. Working so wonderfully. I might not even have to turn on the blowtorch. My aim is terrible with this. Well, now, that's a lot easier. Oh. Man, this thing's heavy. You never know when this thing's gonna go. It's nerve-wracking. There we go. I'm so glad they didn't come off when I was holding it, because that would have been... Whoops. Whoa! Isn't our piece just broken in half? Isn't there a fitting? Well, that's not probably how it's supposed to be. This sight glass is pretty cool. Look at that. This one's pretty eaten up though. Well, it's screwed in that side. I'm not sure how to undo this. Oh, there we go. So those rods come out. Then we're gonna have access to this, like so. Okay. Well, that's a start. Oh, look at that. Here we go. We can clean that out for sure. Cool. I can't believe that it's a sight glass. This is so cool. Look at that. It is so cool. I can't believe I have a sight glass now. Awesome. Sounds like they're still working on that tile in that bathroom up there. It's pretty bad. It's like an inch thick of concrete. You know, it actually is pretty lucky that we have all these tools next to this boiler. Makes things pretty easy. Did I mention that this place has a cat? They found it as a stray a couple days ago. Or maybe it was longer, I'm not sure. Some time ago they found it, and such a wonderful little cat. So now it's the cat catching all the mice at the Red Rooster Inn. Now I have moved everything and I think we're pretty much done. I might come back for more fittings, especially for some copper pipe, because this copper pipe's really nice. We have something cool, something else cool. We have a big pipe. We have a bunch of other little pipes and valves and sensors and whatnot. And then I took the sight glass and the pressure gauge upstairs. I'm definitely going to take those home, but I'm setting these things aside. I'll probably come and pick those up later. By the way, there's actually a lot of other rooms that I haven't actually shown yet, or I haven't explored even. Then there's also this stuff over here, and now you can really see way back there and whatnot. There's this room over here. There's so much stuff we can explore later on. Maybe we can like bring our metal detector and find stuff down here. That'd be so cool. Oh well, this is a neat place. So much history in this building. This was a fun day. Well, now let's go upstairs and see what they're doing with the tiles. Might be a good time for me to go up and help them clean up.
Consumer Products in Jacksonville is currently hiring machine operators for these positions.
that you guys did a pretty good job with the tiles in the bathroom.
Thanks, man. We
Yeah.
appreciate it.
See you some other time. I might come over. I don't know when I'll come over. I'll see you sometime.
All right, we'll see you.
Oh wow, the bells just stopped. There's a church right next door, so that's why. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. There's a ton more to do, and it all seems pretty fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.